Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. Start by going into Play Store on both smartphones, tapping on the search bar. Okay, I have to just left it. And now I can type in Send Anywhere. And install this completely free app from this developer. Following that, just choose Open. Now from this screen, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do the same. So accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now we need to select Send on an Android and Receive on XIAOMI. Then click on all of those dots and just Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like that photo. Choose Send and click Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on XIAOMI, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!